August 18th, Thursday, my day off. There are no days off though, y'all. We are grinding every day. Setting up for the truck show, about to get my swole on and jamming, of course, always. Got that done, y'all. Gotta love that in the wifey's Bronco today. So it is Thursday, the 18th of August, and I'm headed over to the Akins lot to show you all. We're getting ready for the truck show. And here we go, putting the tent up, getting ready for the truck show. It's gonna be epic, y'all. I hope you're coming. Oh my gosh. Got to a rut where I was going to the gym and working. I would get on the treadmill and edit. I would post. I would respond to emails. I was working while I was trying to work out, trying to get away from work. So been focused on just 15 minutes of hard cardio basketball and then pound the weights, y'all. I'm trying to get the real deal back. Akins Mountain. Tell me another dealership that has such a stunning entrance, y'all. I call myself the real deal. It was actually given to me from a hater way back in the day when I first got in the automotive industry, but it's because it's true, y'all. I'm down with everything. It's not just about Neal's the Raptor guy, Neal's the Bronco guy, or Neal's the F-150 guy. I'm down with it all, y'all. I love the audio. I love the Overland. I love every scene. I love every vibe. I love the low life. I love the SUV market. I love the performance market. It's all there. And I'm about to show you just a few offerings that we have right now. The reason why I drove it today, our body shop's got to take care of it. A little ding right there. Don't know how it happened. Probably somebody pulled up and dinged us on the door. Custom Timberline Everest Edition F-150 and a Covert Bronco Sport GT S550. S650's coming soon. Stay tuned. The F450 Midnight. You know I threw the 26s on the F450. You know what's up. We have a Apex Edition 2-door Badlands Area 51 on 37s. Another Everest Edition. That one's a 4-inch. I like a 4-inch better than a 6, honestly. A Covert Gladiator, looking amazing, leveled on 35s. Another Timberline, another Everest, Covert, Bubba truck right there, Atlas Blue, Roush, Challenger, the best Bronco I've seen, y'all, from Willies, or anybody. Yeah! F450, baby. Dang, look at that Everest Edition. Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. You know, I've taken a lot of L's in my life. No matter what, promise me you're going to remain positive in whatever season you're in your life. That's the thing. What is your perspective? My perspective has always been, because I was raised by great parents of Heavenly Father perspective. Everything is going to be okay, y'all. Everything's already taken care of. So while we're here on earth, I believe he put us down here to be the best version of ourselves. I don't want to go to heaven, God be like, well, Neal, real deal, you could have been this. Your potential was here. You lived a good life, spread the word. You were a good servant of mine, but your potential would have been this. I don't want that to happen, y'all. I want to go to heaven one day and be like, he'd be like, real deal, you did it. You did everything I knew you could do. Now we have Tucker Davison, a former Atlanta Braves pitcher, now with the Los Angeles Angels. Got his first W with the Angels the other day. About to get his first Covert Edition F-150 right here at Akins and Willies. Carbonized diamond, y'all. This one's going to be special. It's not going to be a home run. It might be more like a no-hitter edition. Let's get it. It's Thursday, but I can't sleep. I can't stop. It's my off day, but I'm still here because there's just too much to do always, and I just got too much energy. While the energy is good, I'm going to grind every day, y'all, for you. Up here at our staging area besides our shop now, and a little sneak peek of what we're going to be working on and debuting at the truck show, a race red Covert Edition with lots of satin black accents. All you're going to see of it today. Got to come check it out Saturday. Ooh. In the works, another sold Atlas Blue Indoraptor. Amazing, y'all. Another game changer right there. We got Caleb's Firecracker Red, Bighorn, Bad Boy. Y'all, we got stuff everywhere. Everest Edition sitting right there. Innovate Racing Wheels. So many goodies on the daily. Got to come to our truck show. It's going to be truly epic. So more vlog style stuff coming to you all. I want to do a podcast as well, so look forward to all that. More content, more real deal, more automotives at your source, Akins Ford, y'all. Peace out.